Think you need expensive or designer pieces to look expensive? Think again. I'm gonna show you how to make cheap clothes look high-end with just a few simple styling tricks that I personally use because your girl does not have the budget to buy $500 outfits. Hi, I'm Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm all about helping women like you dress chic on a budget on the daily. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 practical tips you can start using today to make your affordable outfits look a little bit more expensive. They're super simple and will help you look polished and put together even with $20 pieces of clothing. I will also share outfit examples to help you have a more visual aspect of it and even share all the prices to show you that it is possible to have affordable chic outfits. If you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss the next one, or definitely go check out my channel. I already uploaded tons of videos on the same subject. So without further ado, let's get started. First tip is when you choose pieces to put together or even when you shop, focus on the fit. Tailoring is everything. Even cheap pieces will look more expensive when they fit right. So don't choose too oversized pieces or too tight. Stick with classic cuts that fit just right. Just as simple as getting your pants hem done can make a huge difference because long pants that drags on the floor don't look polished. Second easy trick is to stick to neutral colors. If you know me, you know that my wardrobe is almost only filled with neutrals because I feel the most comfortable and most chic in them, and it's the easiest way to just mix and match all the pieces together. Neutral just always look more sophisticated, so stick with colors like white, cream, beige, black, gray, camel. Another easy trick you don't even have to think about is to wear monochrome or matching sets. Wearing one color from head to toe elongates and elevates. This is really my #1 trick when I want to look chic but don't have time to think too much about it. I just grab two pieces in the same family of color and match them together. Or even easier, grab a matching set and I'm done. But again, be sure to stick with neutrals and basic patterns because otherwise it's gonna get a little bit too noisy. Next quick tip is to add a third layer that's a structured piece. Think blazers, jackets, cardigans, tailored coats. This will instantly elevate any look even if you throw it over a jeans and a white tee. Trust me, this is an instant upgrade. Fifth tip is to elevate with the right accessories. Accessories take your outfit to the next level, but you have to choose them wisely. Swap cheap looking plastic accessories for more timeless ones. Think full leather belt, classic sunglasses, or gold jewelry. I'm personally a huge fan of gold jewelry, as you can see, but none of my jewelry are actual gold. They are just gold plated, so that way it looks a little bit more polished and doesn't change color, but it's super affordable. Like these earrings, I got them at Winners for something like $15. I also got a few things on Amazon for like $10 to $20. Make sure to choose pieces that are not too trendy or too loud, just classic, dainty pieces that will stand the test of time. So you just have to pick and choose wisely, but I assure you there are affordable options because all my jewelry are affordable. Next, make sure to add a touch of texture to your outfit. Texture reads a luxury, but it has to be the right kind. For example, pieces in faux suede, tweed, boucle, a cable knit pattern, or even a woven bag. These are all fabrics and textures that look elevated even when inexpensive. And it also just makes your whole outfit more interesting visually. In the same vein, avoid super cheap looking pieces at all costs. Some fabrics or materials look cheap right off the bat, even from a mile away. For example, avoid any fabric that looks super thin and flimsy. This looks really cheap, or anything that has that plastic shiny look on especially bags or shoes. You know, that kind of garbage bag look? Yeah, no. Or even just cheap plastic buttons on certain things, especially blazer, can take the whole look down. You can really elevate a blazer or cardigan just by replacing the buttons or choosing a good quality vegan leather instead of the plastic looking ones. Tip #8 is to go for simple silhouettes. Fun and unique pieces are nice to wear sometimes, but clean lines will always be better than trendy cuts. So avoid too many frills or busy patterns. Always choose something that's a little bit more classic. Next tip, if you saw my previous videos, you might be tired of hearing me say this, but it's so true. Keep all your pieces clean and pressed. Wrinkles instantly cheapen the whole look, so always have an iron or a steamer on hand. I'm not kidding, when I wear a wrinkled piece, I do not feel good. I see a lot of girls doing try-on hauls on social media from places like Shein or really affordable website, and I see many girls commenting on these videos asking how they manage to find good-looking pieces because they always get cheap-looking ones. And sometimes it's really just as simple as steaming your clothes. It makes a huge difference, so try it next time. And last tip is to polish your grooming, because your whole look is not only your outfit but also your hair, your makeup, and how you present yourself. Clean hair, nice nails, a light makeup really makes a huge difference because messy details can ruin an expensive looking outfit. And it really doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. For example, for hair, just make a sleek bun or just simple waves as long as your hair looks neat and fresh. For makeup, you don't have to go all extra or overboard. Like right now, I only have like a little bit of blush, bronzer, nude lips, and fake lashes. You just need to keep it light and on the more natural side. And now you have really nice affordable drugstore options, so you really don't need any high-end products. For nails, if you don't like to have fake nails on or even put nail polish on, well, just keep clean and natural nails. But if you do like having nice nails but don't want to spend $60 to $80 every month at the salon, well, they make super great press-ons now. I recently discovered Glamnetic nails. I mean, they are so pretty, they have many different patterns, and they are so affordable. I found mine at Winners, and look at this. They are $12.99. So I mean, can you get more affordable than that? And they last me 2 to 3 weeks. So it really is just like a real manicure, but for a quarter of the price. So there are always affordable options available. And finally, a little bonus tip, but buy less and style more. This is really the best way to keep your closet affordable, because at the end of the day, it's not really what you're wearing, but more how you style it and how you present yourself. Confidence and the finishing touches is the real luxury here. I love a good capsule wardrobe when you have a few quality basics and you can just mix and match them all together to make different outfits. So this is a really nice way to keep everything affordable and chic. As you can see, looking expensive has less to do with money, but more to do with how you put yourself together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot. And comment below what thrift you will try yourself first. And don't forget to subscribe for more chic on a budget styling tips. I hope to see you soon. Bye guys!